Foundation is fundamental. In Kung Fu, it doesn't matter if you're throwing something offensive, defensive, or some kind of combination of the two. From every technique blossoms from your root. Our stance begins with our feet and our heels below our shoulders. Our ears are in line with our shoulders, our head is straight up, our back is straight as possible. Then we drop straight down, and our hips are slightly turned forward. Then we open up our toes about 45 degrees, and our heels then about another 45 degrees. Your knees should be about a fist and a half distance apart. And you'll notice it's not because I'm squeezing them together, it's because I'm just sinking down. That naturally brings them together. So, fist and a half distance apart, or if you're really ambitious, a dragon ball. From there, we're able to shift to one side and shift to the other. This allows us to have a constant turn with every movement while aligning our body so that our target is in front of us and to the floor, so that we can both receive and give energy. So we're not just pushing from there, we're sinking so that it aligns through our body and we can deliver enough force. This also allows us to move and to step. And our feet, again, should be that dragon ball distance away.